these things are visible. People applaud, photos are taken, certificates are given, but the real magic happens in the invisible work. Waking up early for the practice, studying when your friends were playing, reading your one extra chapter, learning from your mistakes quietly, helping a classmate without expecting anything, trying again when no one is watching you rather. This invisible effort, my dear students, is what builds champions. May open a door for you, but consistency keeps that door open. So even if the word does not clap for you today, it will one day because invisible work always shows up in visible results. And one side to carry with you for life. Before I end, students, I want to leave you with one idea that can change how you see your future. I will like your attention, please. Please listen carefully. Your future is not something that will happen to you. Your future is something you will build. Every question you ask, every failure you overcome, every small effort you make, every value you uphold, each of this is a brick in the foundation of your future. You don't have to be extraordinary to start, but once you start, you will discover the extraordinary within you. My dear students, believe in yourself, be curious enough to learn, brave enough to fall, persistent enough to put in the invisible work, wise enough to choose your values, and confident enough to build the future you dream of. I wish to take this opportunity to congratulate the Principal Srimati Inu Bansal, Vice Principal Sri Desraj Krishna, and Head Mistress Srimati Sonia Kapoor, all teachers, other staff members, the students and their parents for their commendable achievements of ACS2 in the academic year 2025-26. I hope they keep this spark of enthusiasm alive in the years to come. I also wish you all the very best in all your future endeavors. With these words, I would put an end to your eager waiting and the tireless preparation of ACS2 for today's evening. Dear audience, I am more than sure that this evening will be different for all of you, and this you will yourself discover as the colors of culture feast unfolds. I wish you all a wonderful annual day filled with joy, learning, and inspiration. Thank you and Jai Hind.
कृपया जोरदार तालियां हमारे माननीय मुख्य अतिथि महोदय श्री वाई के भारद्वाज जी के लिए, जिनके शब्दों ने हम सबके मन को छू लिया है। हर वाक्य प्रेरणा से भरा हुआ था और हर विचार अनुभव की गहराई से निखरा हुआ था। आप जैसे मुख्य अतिथि को पाकर आज हमारा भव्य आयोजन सफल हो गया सर, धन्यवाद। अब मैं अपने विद्यालय की प्रधानाचार्य आदरणीय इनु बंसल महोदया जी से विनम्र अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वे कृपया हमारे मुख्य अतिथि महोदय श्री वाई के भारद्वाज जी को हमारी ओर से एक स्मृति चिन्ह भेंट कर हमारी कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करें। एक बार फिर हम सभी की ओर से धन्यवाद और अभिनंदन। सर, आपका सानिध्य हमारे लिए परम सौभाग्य की बात रही। दर्शकों, मैं आप लोगों को यह सूचित करना चाहूँगी कि अब हम अपने औपचारिक कार्यक्रमों की श्रृंखला की अंतिम कड़ी की ओर पहुँच चुके हैं। दोस्तों, इतने बड़े भव्य कार्यक्रम के आयोजन में हम सबका प्रत्यक्ष या अप्रत्यक्ष रूप से योगदान होता ही है। इसकी विराट सफलता का श्रेय आप सभी को जाता है। जी हाँ, आप सब सही समझे। कार्यक्रम का यह क्रम आप सभी के प्रति आभार प्रदर्शन का है। अब मैं सादर आमंत्रित करती हूँ उस व्यक्तित्व को जो विद्यालय की कार्यशैली में अनुशासन और प्रबंधन की मिसाल हैं, जो हर सफलता के पीछे खामोशी से खड़े होते हैं। विनम्रता में जिनकी ऊंचाई है और मार्गदर्शन में दृढ़ता। मैं हमारे उप प्रधानाचार्य महोदय श्री देशराज कृष्णा जी से नम्र निवेदन करती हूँ कि वे मंच पर पधारें और धन्यवाद प्रस्ताव प्रस्तुत कर हमें अनुग्रहित करें।
Namaste and good evening to everyone. Gratitude is the fairest bloom that springs from the soul. With this thought, it is my privilege to express heartfelt gratitude on behalf of ACS to Mumbai on the occasion of our annual day celebration 2025. At the outset, I bow to our chief guest, Dr. Y.K. Bhardwaj, Associate Director, Radiochemistry and Isotope Group, BRC Mumbai. Sir, your presence has elevated this gathering, and your inspiring words have sparked motivation in every heart. We are equally honored by our guest of honor, Dr. P.A. Hassan, Associate Director, Bioscience Group, BRC, Chairman, Local Management Committee, AC Schools, Junior College, Mumbai. Sir, your encouragement adds immense values to this evening. I sincerely thank the Local Management Committee, AC School, Junior College, Mumbai, School Advisory Committee members, Pubian Committee members, and all other committee members of ACS to Mumbai, whose support strengthens our school's journey. Special gratitude to coordinating principal, Dr. Kamlesh Kumar, principal head academic unit, AES, Dr. Neena Mupaya, for their guidance and leadership. I extend warm regards to the principals of ACS 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, and ex-principal ACS 6, Dr. Anand sir, and express sincere gratitude to our principal, Ms. Inu Bansal, whose vision drives every achievement. Thank to my fellow vice principals, headmasters, headmistress, AC Schools, Mumbai Center. I also extend thank to headmistress, ACS2 Mumbai, Shrimati Sonia Kapoor, for guidance and support. A teacher takes a hand, opens a mind, and touches a heart. A big thank to you, our devoted teachers. You shape dreams, mold futures, and nurture hearts. Behind every young achiever stands a family that believes. Respected parents, thank you for your trust and support. Dear students, you are the soul of this evening. Your performances will fill the stage with confidence, creativity, and joy. I gratefully acknowledge the support of civil, electrical, horticulture, security departments of DCCM Mumbai and the fire section BRC, and our non-teaching staff whose dedication forms the backbone of today's success. My sincere thanks to Stage Management Committee, Cultural Committee, Discipline Team, Reception Team, PA System Operators, Lighting Crew, Decoration Team, and every individual who worked tirelessly behind this scene. Your efforts may not always be visible, but they are always invaluable. Teamwork divides the task and multiplies their success. Finally, my heartfelt thanks to each one of you present here. Your presence has added warmth and energy to this celebration. When we celebrate together, we grow together. Please remain seated for the concluding segment, the cultural programs, followed by national anthem. Thank you. Enjoy the evening. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir, for your gracious and heartfelt vote of thanks. Your words have beautifully captured the essence of today's program and have expressed our collective gratitude with such dignity and warmth. Your constant support, guidance, and presence at every school event truly motivate us for our best. On behalf of the entire school fraternity, we express our sincere appreciation to you for concluding the ceremony with such thoughtful and inspiring words. Thank you once again, sir. Every achievement we celebrate today is like a star added to the sky of our school's legacy. And every performance that follows is a brushstroke of color on the canvas of color. So let the lights grow brighter, let the stage come alive, and let the magic of talent unfold before us.
हम जानते हैं आप हैं बेकरार, सिर्फ कुछ ही पलों का है इंतज़ार, और फिर शुरू होगा यह शो एकदम धमाकेदार। रुद्रांश और अविका दोनों मिलकर रखेंगे आपका पूरा ख्याल, क्योंकि आगे आ रही हैं प्रस्तुतियाँ बेमिसाल। जी हाँ, आप सब सही समझे। अब मैं अपने विद्यालय के रंगारंग सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रमों को संचालित करने हेतु अपने विद्यालय के दो मेधावी विद्यार्थियों रुद्रांश शर्मा और अविका चंद्रा को मंच पर आमंत्रित कर सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम संचालन की बागडोर सौंपती हूँ। कृपया उनका जोरदार तालियों से उत्साहवर्धन करें, स्वागत करें।
One announcement, Mr. Ravindra K. Bansal, wherever you are requested to come to the anchors here to collect your wallet. Mr. Ravindra K. Bansal.
सितारों को मुट्ठी में दबाकर हम चांद से बातें कर लेंगे, सूरज से तेवर छीन लेंगे, दहकते दिन को रात कर देंगे। अगर आपका साथ और गुरुओं का सर पर हाथ रहेगा तो हम इस शाम को भी आबाद कर देंगे, इस कल रफ को भी आबाद कर देंगे। A very delightful evening to everyone. I am Avika Chandra from 10th A.
And myself, Rudransh Vaishnav Sharma from class 10C.
And we welcome you to our annual function where talent meets tradition and where the chief guests are secretly praying, the speeches say short. So, speaking of our esteemed chief guests, we are so honored to have them here tonight. Now, I must confess, when I saw their names in the invitation card, I was like, wow, this event just got an upgrade. Because let's be honest, without all of our special guests present here, by that, I mean the chief guests, our parents, our peers, everyone. Without them, we'd all just be a bunch of performers clapping for ourselves, and that's so boring. So, dear guests, sit back,